Okay, good evening guys, welcome back to our tutorial. In our tutorial today, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit our posts and how to edit our pages on our website. So far we have learned how to install WordPress on our cPanel, how to upload themes, and how to install the themes. So today we'll be going straight to how to edit it. So without wasting most of our time, let us dive straight to our browser. So before we continue, if you find value for this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post such content. So once this is my dashboard, I've taught you guys how to log into your dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, go to this three dash here at the top left hand. So say we want to edit our post, so let's go down. This is our post, so let's click on all posts. Okay, these are all the posts you see on the website. These are all the posts. We have about 28 published posts here. So this is hello world. Let me delete this trash. This trash is if you want to delete a post on your website. So these are the remaining posts here. Let me click on this edit. This is how to edit posts on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so my network is slow, so bad, but see how far we can go. I don't know what's wrong with this network today. Okay, it has actually come up. So this is the posts. You might want to edit this post. This is where you come and let's say you want to edit a post. You come here, you click on it. You come here and click on it. Let's say you want to edit it. I would like to edit all of this. Select all. Let me clear. Say hello. This is my WordPress website. Thanks for viewing. So viewing. Click on it. Click on done. Now these are categories. If you're like you say you're blogging, if you're a blogger, probably have a whole lot of categories here. You have sports, tech, relationship, and whatever category your blog post or that particular post fall under, this is where you're going to tick it. So don't worry, now this video I'll show you how to create a category. So for this now, let me just put it in tech. Let me just tick this tech. And if you're running SEO on your website and search engine optimization, this is where you give it a tag. That's a WordPress. Done. You add. So this is your feature image. If it's a sports blog, after posting the sport, a transfer news or something like that, you come here and put in the image of the player or image of the club or image of the news. This is where you set your feature image. Then after setting all this, you come to this update. This is how you can edit a post on your WordPress dashboard. So if you find this video useful, if you find this tutorial useful, if you find value on this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video like this. Thank you, and watch out for the next video. We'll be talking about how to edit our themes, how to edit pages on our WordPress dashboard.